Hello, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, we will be learning how to make this beautiful bridesmaid bouquet. I made this for a set of bridesmaids, and this is how I went about it. That is how it looks like singularly, like this. Yes, 111. So, let's just dive right into it to get the materials and the whole procedure. So I start on by getting my cane. This is a normal cane we used to whip kids out in schools. Oh my god, you've stopped that. Okay. So this is a floral tape. This is my normal paper tape. And then the flowers that I will be using. Okay. So first of all, I get these material. The cane is very necessary. Glue gun, glue stick, and yes, I did this by taking the measurements of the cane, and then I divided it into three, and then I made sure I got 9 inches. So I made sure each one was 9 inches. Yours could be more, yours could be low. It actually depends on how long your cane is, or you can just decide to just divide the cane into two and use it if you want it to be extremely longer. Okay, so this is what I did. I divided it into three with my scissors, and I actually have a special scissors I use for things like this so that it doesn't destroy or affect my normal sewing cutting scissors. It's always the best to get an extra scissors for stuff like this. Yes, so I cut it from the flower stem. This is actually artificial flower. Okay, this is not a natural flower, it's an artificial flower. I plug my glue gun to make sure that I can melt the glue that I will be needing. So first I attach the cane. First, I actually cut the cane, kind of make it look like a pencil, like a sharpened pencil, something like this, something like that. But you can decide to let go of that and not go through that whole process. It all depends on what you would want to achieve at the end of the day. So this is what I do. I make sure that I cut the tips of it to make it look like a sharpened pencil or a tip of a pen, as you can see me doing with the scissors, clearing the place. And yep, I pick my pencil. I picked the flower. I attach it to the cane, as you can see here. So after I've attached it to the plane, I try to use the paper tape to stabilize the cane and the flower together, just so that it would be more stabilized when I'm using the floral tape around it. It actually makes it extra easy when you are working around it, because the floral tape doesn't necessarily tape it together. You know, it's a tape, but it doesn't really hold it firmly as the way how the paper tape will hold it as firm as it's supposed to do, so that you just don't go through any stress. So yes, this is how I do it. I just make sure when you're working around it, you make sure that you slant it gradually, so that you can't be heading upwards and downwards wherever the direction has to. So I actually apply glue gun to make it extra secure. That is what I do. I apply glue gun to it. I apply glue, to it to make sure that it is extra secured. Okay, then I move downwards, as you can see me doing here, so that I will get to the extreme tip. But as you'll be going down, you will be slanting it in this section so that it just can look as it has to look. It doesn't have to be like one place, like just stagnant at one place and stuff. Like the more you're going down, the more you'll be slanting them casually, okay, so that you will be able to actually get a very desired, neat and elegant product at the end of the day. So that is what you see me doing here. I cut it, I apply the glue for extra secure, so that this is how it is looking at the end of the day. So this is how the whole process looks like, and this is what I happen to all the other ones. Okay, so if you want to make something like a singular bridesmaid bouquet, this is it. There you go. That is how it was looking at the end of the day. When they came, they loved it, and this is the whole thing. So thank you very much for watching till this section. I will be leaving the link of the bride itself bouquet in the description, so don't forget to also check that video as well. So I will be leaving my WhatsApp link in the description as well. Kindly do send me a WhatsApp or follow my other social media handles, and let's get interactive on the other side. Okay, thank you all so very much for watching till the end, and this was the final product. Have a lovely life. Bye bye. Kisses. X.